was the kind of person who only wanted to have credit for himself. He didn't like there being anybody doing better than him.
Yeah.
And their division of this larger parent company was the only one making a profit. In fact, they were making all of the profit for the larger company.
Yeah.
And they were running basically a chain of small hardware stores.
Right.
So like these stores, I think the largest one they said was like in the 30,000 square feet or so, whereas the smallest Home Depot is like, what the heck?
No.
Wait, I'm gonna get the
Don't,
plate.
please.
GMR 6043.